remembered what I wanted to do. I got a cup holder. My neighbor likes to ride with me, and he gets tired of holding his cup, and it won't fit down there. He's got one of those big damn cups. So I think we're going to try and put this on. I got this from Full Access UTV, ATV, and it looks good. I love the color in black, but let's get her going and see what it can do. Might have needed to use a sharper tip. Oh my God. All right, we're through. Let's clean my mess, put it in the trash. I'm done with this drill. Hope you're happy, Jeff. Damn, said his name. Didn't want nobody to know I was hanging out with him. Well, so far so good. We've not screwed nothing up yet. See if we can get my little nut to go on there. Looked good, didn't it? It's not. Got that one going on. Got that one on. See if we can get my I think we are ready to roll. Come on man. Come on, Cletus. This is supposed to be a fast video. Ain't looking too damn good. On there, plus a little bit of extra hardware. Son of a gun. She don't want to come out. She will. All right, so there we go. We can still get into the glove box reasonably good. She's set. Jeff, I hope you're happy. Oh yeah, one more thing. Phew. Glad that's over with.